What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are out on the turbo bike and we are heading over to Motor City Harley Davidson in Farmington, Michigan, and we are heading over there. They're having an open house today. Just met up with the crew. It's a little chilly today. It's 59 degrees out, as you can see on the temp gauge. 59 degrees out, full sun, so it's not that bad. The sun's out, so it's not that cold for us. But yeah, we're just gonna make our way over there. We got Dave right here, and then we got everybody else rolling behind us. Trying out the new Insta360 X5 camera, guys. Let me know what you think of the footage on that. Trying to do more riding vlogs this summer, bring you guys some more content to the channel. Love this thing, guys. I absolutely love this turbo bike. The more I ride it, the more I love it, and the more I like it better than Gold Digger. Never thought I'd say that on the channel, but I'm here to tell you guys that this turbo bike is just a fun bike to ride, and hearing that turbo blowing off boost in your face, and the maneuverability of this bike, it handles so much better than Gold Digger, and I think it's because of the 21-inch front wheel on Gold Digger. Definitely enjoying the turbo bike, guys. So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you guys let me know in the comments below. If you guys want to see more riding vlogs, let me know in the comments below. We're gonna make our way over to Motor City Harley Davidson to check out their open house, and we're also gonna meet up with my buddy Alex. He came off a Supermoto and he just bought his first Harley today. So he's there at the dealership right now signing all the paperwork, and we're gonna go meet up with him as well, and he's gonna ride back with us later today. So stay tuned. I will be introducing his bike to the channel, and we also have a lot of things planned for that bike, so I'll be featuring that bike on the channel here in the next couple videos. We got a lot of stuff planned for that as well. So super excited for him. Huge shout out to Alex. I'll put a picture up here on the screen of the bike and him, and you guys will see it here in a little bit once we get to Motor City Harley, and we're gonna go for a little ride after we go to the dealership today. So stay tuned, guys. We're just getting started. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Michigan. Gotta take advantage of these nice days while we can, because as you guys know, we don't get too many nice days here in Michigan. Now I will say summer months, you know, midsummer, June, July, August, we have a beautiful summer up here in Michigan. So yeah, I'll pick the camera back up once we get to Motor City Harley. Alright guys, so we got some roundabouts here. Hopefully there's not too much traffic so we can get after it. Woo! Just like that. Can you guys hear the turbo in the camera? Let me know in the comments below. Straight to floorboards. have the camera on for that, but as you guys saw in the 360 video, I just raced my dad from a second gear pull, like a 40-mile-an-hour pull, and as you guys can see, the old Turbski came through out front and beat the 180 horsepower CVO ST, guys. I'm telling you guys, this thing is freaking fast. This bike makes 160 horsepower, and his bike makes 177 horsepower. I'm telling you guys, this turbo is something else, man. The Insta360 camera fell back and smoked my fairing, so I hope I don't have a big ass scratch on that. Happy about those results. That just shows you guys how fast this bike really is. You guys know that that bike made 177 horsepower on the dyno, guys, down at All American Cycle. This bike made 160, and she just kept pulling the further we went. I'm telling you guys, this thing's fast. So we're almost to Motor City now. I'll pick the camera back up once we get there. So we are rolling into Motor City Harley right now. This is where I picked up my 24 Road Glide. Huge dealership here in Farmington Hills, Michigan. There we have it. We got Motor City Harley. Let's see what kind of parking we got over here. What's up, man?
Rolling deep as usual.
Oh yeah. So that's it, huh? You like it?
Yeah.
This is my buddy Alex. He just picked up this brand new 2025 Road Glide. What do they call this color?
Brilliant red.
And brilliant red. Look at the flake on that color, guys. Wow. Dude, I love the color.
Oh, it came out.
You got the Ruroc helmet. Good to go. Dude, that color in the sunlight just hits different.
Crazy in the sun.
That's awesome.
That was your sweet spot, wasn't it?
Yeah. I told you it's faster. I'm telling you. So on the way home, I'm going to let you go and see if I can pass you.
Yeah, that was definitely your sweet spot.
I told you. That
How fast was it? Where we going?
I didn't look.
I was in third. I should have been in second.
I don't know what. I think I was in third too.
Yeah.
But I
Come on, man.
How are you?
Badass, man.
Thank you.
my camera flew back on me.
It's hit. I'm telling you, it looks like it's hit.
It didn't hit until it flew back.
Oh, I fucked it all up.
When I raced you is when it hit.
No,
How you gonna fix that?
off of it on every bump.
Just like that?
I don't think it'll come off.
I think sounds crazy.
So what happened was when I raced him,
It really came off.
it was fine. It wasn't hitting it here. It's when I raced him and I got up to about 120, the frickin' thing flew back on me.
We weren't going.
That's when it hit it.
You were going pretty fast.
You were flying. I was in
But like just like this right here, it wasn't hitting it.
No.
It was when I raced him is when it flew back.
Okay, went back.
Yeah. I'll have to rub it out. I have that thing cinched tight too.
You went back and hit?
When I raced him up at about 120, it
Flexes.
no, the whole mount twisted back. So it's all right. I'll have to rub it out.
Move it out anywhere, huh?
Were you guys pretty close from the roll? No, he was full.
Dude, I'm telling you, this bike is twice as fast as it was in Florida. I'm telling you, dude.
like diesel. I was like, why is his bike so good?
It makes my Gold Digger bike feel like a stage 2. I'm here to tell you right now.
That'll come out.
Dude, this cold air, I think, is what it is.
You don't have any tape you can put on there now, huh? You can just shorten it? Is that
Yeah, I could shorten it.
so much?
I could shorten
Hey,
it.
just shorten it up. Then it won't get so much wind. See? It won't go back then.
Thank you. Thank you.
Keep the longer, the thicker ones out. Keep that one on. If you put it like right there, it ain't gonna hit. It won't hit like that.
I'm telling you, the whole way here it was fine until I raced him and got up to about 120, and it just went. Whoosh.
keep it down like that, I don't think it'll hit.
That's gonna rub out.
All right, guys, check out the lineup. We got Dave Street Glide. This is Weedy's Performance. He's out riding with us today. We got the Turbo Road Glide over here. We got Dom's Street Glide, Greg's Road Glide, Todd's Road Glide, John's Road Glide, Dad's Road Glide, Mom's Road Glide. We got the new addition to the crew, Mr. Alex himself, on a brand new 2025 Road Glide. Love this color, the brilliant red. The sparkles and the pearl in this color is insane, guys. Super pumped for Alex. He deserves it. Huge shout out to Nick at Motor City for hooking Alex up on the brand new 2025 Road Glide. Definitely looks good next to all these colors. Check out Mom's Poison Berry in the sunlight. Ooh wee. Check out the rear cowl I found for that. I'll put a link to that in the description of the video. She's trying out the Bad Boy Cycles Freedom seat off of my dad's ST today because she wanted to try out the Bad Boy seat to see if she likes it, and if she does, she's gonna have Eli custom make her a Alcantara and leather purple stitched Freedom seat for her new CVO. She also put on the CVO ST air cleaner because it looks way better than the factory air cleaner that comes on these bikes. And then yeah, we got a lot of parts at home ready to bolt on this bike, so stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of content coming with the CVO, but just wanted to give you guys an overview of all the bikes today. Rolling deep today. The Turbo Road Glide's doing good. Beautiful day here in Michigan. All right, guys, now it's time to go get some barbecue because your boy is hungry. Just got back home from an amazing day riding with friends out to Motor City Harley Davidson for their open house. We met a few more friends at Motor City, and then we ended up riding over to get some barbecue for some like a late lunch, early dinner. We ended up taking all the back roads back towards home, and here we are back at home at my parents' garage because we're getting ready to install some parts on my mom's 2025 Poison Berry CVO. So as you can see here, we have it on the lift, ready to go. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video because my mom's gonna be installing some new parts on her bike and we're gonna go ahead and get started on that tonight. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video off here. The turbo bike did amazing today, as you guys saw, stacked up nice against my dad's CVO ST. My bike makes 161 horse and 161 foot-pounds of torque. His bike made 177 horse and like 156 foot-pounds of torque. And when I rode his bike in Daytona, I felt like it was much faster than the turbo bike. But granted, when I was in Florida, I still had the tour pack on the bike, and it was definitely a lot heavier than it is right now without the tour pack or a passenger. So we stacked both bikes up today. We did like a second gear pull at like 40 miles an hour, and as you saw, the turbo bike just pulled away. So I am very happy with the performance of the turbo bike with my Silver Turbos kit that's on that bike. And my 2024 Road Glide is on point right now, guys. So super stoked about that. Hopefully you guys like the riding vlog content that we did today. If you guys want to see more of that, make sure you guys let me know in the comments below. As always, follow me on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports. I tend to post a lot more on there than I do on YouTube. Also, visit my website at DOOWORKMotorsports.com. Get yourself some merch. I got hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and a whole bunch of other stuff coming to the website, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.